Check out these beautiful mountain views here in Votualevu neighborhood near Nandi. And this is very close to the international airport. And boy, we've got something special for you today. We have a beautiful property already built with 3 master bedrooms on the downstairs level here, ground level. And we're gonna go in and check out one of these right now together. And we have, again, a really special property. Not only do we have this, but we have below us 3 additional quarter-acre lots that are also available. So this property has this structure, again, with 3 master bedroom suites downstairs. And those are like studio apartments, if you will. It's got the bedroom and bathroom. And then you have this unit here in the one building. And then you've got 3 quarter-acre lots that you can still build on. So walk with me upstairs and you're gonna see this is just really beautiful. And to find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. You've got loads of storage here. This is your separate laundry room area back in the back. Come with me. Look at this just grand, huge bedroom. Nice bright paint. You're gonna love this bathroom. Look at this. Talk about space. Some of these bathrooms get a little tight, but this has got lots of space. Look, it even has one of these toilets imported from Japan. If you've never used one of those, trust me, that's a pretty interesting experience. I've been to Japan myself. You have a jacuzzi jetted tub. Fits at least 2 people in there. And look at this rain shower. Check this out. Look at that. This home has some really nice amenities, but it's gonna get better. Come with me, you're gonna have a view and just be blown away. So again, you have here today, this building, look at these views. Look at your little neighbor down there just waiting for you. How cool is that? Right on. Beautiful, unbelievable, cool breeze I'm feeling right now. Great covered patio. Gorgeous mountain views. Straight ahead of us, see these 2 right here? These are papayas, or as they say here in Fiji, pawpaw. And you can see them clinging right there. And the tree over there, you see all those little yellow dots? Each one of those is a mango. So this property is like having a farmer's market right here. So all that land below you there, that is an opportunity to expand on what we have right here in front of us. A total of about 1 acre divided up into 4 parcels of native lease with just over 90 years left on each. And look at this. I mean, these views are just awesome. You're on top of the world up here. It's covered, shaded, quiet, just so peaceful up here. I mean, you can see all the way around. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. We'll get you all the additional details on this property. And again, it's got everything that you can imagine. Great for redevelopment, awesome investment. And if you want to come to Fiji and just live on top of the world, well, here you go. It's right here just waiting for you. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Manaka.